Right, we're back at the shop with the Supra. Now last week we were at Donington, and as you might have seen from the previous videos, we're having some really high temperatures. It was a really hot day, but even still, I think it's something that we need to address. So today we'll look at what we're going to do to fix the problem. Yeah, good. We're just going to check temperature. They're showing very hot, so we'll check on the laptop, see what it's saying. But yeah, that's fast, very fast. The car's good. Right, let's take a look at the front end. So there's a few things we want to do really. We were having very high intake temps, high coolant temps, and it's something that I guess, you know, it was a real test that day. We were like 31 degrees ambient temperature, so it was a really hot day. So it really pushed us, I guess, the testing to the limit. So it's a good way of doing it, I guess, in the grand scheme of things. So one of the biggest issue we have is airflow. So if you look down here, the actual mouth of the bumper is quite narrow. And I know Jimmy, although this is horrible and scuffed, he wants to keep it all original. So what I'm going to do is possibly heat this up. And if you look at that, we'll probably get another 1.5 inches down. So that'll give us more direct air into the intercooler. We'll get rid of the plate. And allow for more airflow going through. Coming on this side of the intercooler and the rad, we need to create some ducting so we force the air right into the intercooler, and also coming out the rad. It had a shroud which we took off at Donington, and we've got the viscous fan. To make things better, we're going to run 2 electric fans, so that'll double up the airflow there as well. So hopefully that will solve some of our actual cooling and airflow issues. So we're solving the airflow issues and bringing the temperatures down. But one of the issues we have is big turbo generating a lot of heat. In fact, it's melted some of the coating of these breather lines going to the catch can. So simple things here, we're going to put a blanket over the turbo, heat wrap the exhaust, and also what we're going to do is duct the cold air coming into the air filter. Right now it's only got a small feed. So run a pipe through the inner wing, out the front bumper to get cold air here, and also maybe block this off so it doesn't pick up any of the heat that's generating in the engine bay. One of the issues that Jimmy's having is the fuel pump's too noisy now. Although it's a race car, he still uses it on the road. And that system there with a big pump inside is very noisy. I'll show you in a second. What we're going to do now is something quite clever. We're going to run 2 fuel pumps inside. One pump will run on normal driving, and the second pump will engage as it comes onto boost. And that will bring the noise right down to make it sensible on the road. So just show you how loud it is. Listen to this. And that's a constant noise when you're driving. So now we know what we're doing. Join us in part 2 and you can see all the problems addressed there. If you want to see this car and other cars in the workshop or on track, go onto our social media. You can see all the videos, all the behind the scenes stuff, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks guys.